Hello and welcome to our new virtual classroom or our Canvas homepage. I am so excited to see you here today. Just a quick shout out to all of my wonderful students. Thank you for participating. I'm talking to you, Aurora and Ava Lee and Sophia and Joshua and Stephanie and Jack and Rox and Madeline and Weston, William, Cannon, Peyton, and Robbie. I am missing every single one of you guys. It's been really hard not to see your faces every day, but I hope that you are spending some great quality time with your families. So let me talk to you guys about our Canvas homepage. So we get to start school on Monday the 30th, and it's going to be through distance learning or virtual classrooms. So I will get a chance to see you on a program called Zoom, hopefully a few times a week if we can get all of the technology to work. And then I'm also going to be posting lots of videos for you guys to be watching and learning about. And then I'll be asking you guys to share with me what you have been learning. So let's get into our Canvas homepage. So the first thing that I will do is open up my internet browser. Today I'm going to be using Google Chrome, but you guys can use Safari, or you can always look these things up in the App Store if you are on an iPad or phone. So I'm going to be going to the KPBSD homepage. They do have an app, or they also have a Canvas app, which would be very helpful for us in this learning. So I'm going to go to the Kenai Peninsula Bureau School District webpage, and I'm going to go up to this awesome circle, and it's called Canvas. So I'm going to click on there, and then it's going to ask me to log in. My login for Canvas is my top number that I would use to sign in to the computers at school, and then my bottom number, whatever number that is. I did send home this information with all of you on Friday, so hopefully there is no confusion there. And then I will locate my first grade class. So that's going to be first grade class. And then this is what our homepage will look like. Now yours is going to look slightly different since I'm on the teacher side, but it will have all the same wonderful things. So it says, welcome to Miss Larson's first grade homepage. Oh, hi there. And we do have a need help click here. I'm going to talk about that one in just a moment. So I'm going to be available on Zoom every day, Monday through Friday from 12:30 to 1 o'clock. Zoom is a great program where you can virtually call people, and you can have up to 100 participants on one call. So we'll get a chance to hopefully have our whole class on those calls, and we'll get a chance to discuss what we've been learning throughout the week. So every day you'll have a chance to log in. Whatever day works the best for you. I am asking that you log in at least once a week, one time on Zoom. Okay, and then I am also going to ask that I'm going to be talking with all of you individually, that means one-on-one, at least once a week also. So you get to see my wonderful face twice a week, and if not more. You guys are always welcome to join those Zoom sessions whenever you feel like it. And then if you need to talk to me at a different time, please let me know. We can schedule anything like that. I did also include in the contact me area my phone number so that you can text or call. I also have an email down here. So I have the best contact hours. So I'll be replying to those between 9:30 and 11:30 or 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. I did also include a Class Dojo link. If Class Dojo is a better method, you can click right on that picture and it's going to send you straight to their website. I'm just going to hit the back button to go back to my Canvas page. Then I'm going to scroll down a little bit more, and it says click me to get daily lessons, and then I also have additional choices. So I'm going to scroll all the way back up to the top again to show you my need help link. So I'm going to click right on this sign, need help, click here. So here we've got lots of helpful videos. When we're done with week 1, this is where this video will go in the Canvas homepage link. And then I will also add a Zoom link on how to log into Zoom. I have a Get Epic, Headsprout, Lexia, Prodigy, So all of these videos are me showing you how to get to these programs using our Canvas homepage and the logins that you will need and what to expect from each of these websites. Now, I am not requiring any certain type of minutes for these websites. However, Lexia does have minutes included for each individual student if you would like to follow that. But I have added these as additional resources. So these are for extra practice when you would like your student to be on the computer for a little bit longer and to get extra practice in math. The Lexia and Headsprout are both reading programs, and Get Epic is a reading program as well. So then at the very bottom, I have included a questions link. So if you are having difficulties with something specific or not, you can post it on a discussion board. So you can either hit the questions button or you can hit this. And it's going to bring you to a discussion board. And that will look like this. So I can go into reply. And then this is where I would post my question about whatever it was. And this is public. So it might be a question that you think could help someone else that they might be having a hard time with too. I'm going to just use my back button on my search bar to go back to this first page. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll all the way up and I'm going to click my home button on the left. And that's going to bring me back to the first grade class homepage. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit and I'm going to show you guys how to get to the daily lessons. Well, first, let me show you. So these are the additional links. So when you guys watch those tutorial videos, they will be using these down here. So you're just going to be able to click into any of those pictures and it'll bring you straight to that website. So click me to get daily lessons. We're going to click right on that little picture of me. Here we do have a lot of writing. These are my expectations for the next couple of weeks. Since we are going into virtual learning, there's still going to be learning going on, so I still need to kind of see some proof of that. So I am asking that you turn in work to me 3 times a week. So when I say turn in, I know I can't see you, but when I say turn in, I'm going to ask that you send me a picture, send me a video, you give me a call, you send me a text message, you post on Class Dojo. There are so many different ways that you guys can show me what you have been learning 3 times a week. Like I said, I'll also be Zooming with you individually, and that would be another time that you could tell me about the wonderful things that you've been learning. Now here you can see I have a schedule from Monday through Friday, and this includes reading, writing, and math. These are all suggestions. If you and your family have a different plan going on, please follow that plan. It is whatever is going to work best for your family. Just make sure that you're communicating with me, including me in those things. So here we've got our reading. So reading this week, we're going to start on Monday. You're going to click on this picture and it's going to send you to a video. You're going to watch that video and then respond to the question, why are they lucky Grandpa had too many mangoes? So I will click into that link just to show you what this page looks like. So you're going to see these are the Monday videos. So we've got a reading video that you're going to watch and then a math video to watch as well. And then if you scroll a little bit down, it says click here to go back to lessons. So I'm going to click right on that calendar and it's going to bring me back to my week-long lessons. So at the end of the reading video, I did talk about the writing prompt as well. So for writing, I would like you to tell me about a time you and your family had a lot of fun. Now these are suggested prompts, you don't have to write on them, but if you don't have any ideas of what you want to write about that day, then I would suggest writing about this. I am asking that no matter what your writing you are doing, you have 3 sentences at least. If you want to write more, like 5 sentences or even more than that, you are welcome to do so. But I do need you to write 3 sentences, including your capital letters, your spaces, and your punctuation, which means your periods, commas, exclamation marks, question marks. So then let's go to math. In math this week, we're going to be learning all about shapes. So the first shape that we're going to be learning about is squares. So I'm going to click right on that square and it's going to bring me back to our square video. So I'll watch that video and then I will click back onto the weekly schedule, and the suggested activity I have for you is create a square picture frame or find squares in your house and count them. See how many squares you have inside of your house today. And then if you did also want a little bit of extra math practice, I have included the math pages for you guys to link to practice with throughout the entire week. Then we can scroll down and I have a little bit of extra practice in the other areas. So I have 2 social studies videos that you guys can watch. You will be very familiar with both of those songs. It's our continent songs and the ocean songs. In science, NASA and the Alaska Zoo have virtual classrooms going on that you guys can be doing activities with and also learning about those animals. In social skills, I just created a We Do Listen, so you can click on that link and it'll bring you to their website, and they've got lots of different videos and activities that you can do in those social skills. And then for PE and music, I did include a Go Noodle link, so you can click on that Go Noodle and it'll bring you to their website. Mrs. Simonson also will be doing PE and music with each of you, so you will get a chance to go into your dashboard that's up here on the left. So you're going to click dashboard, and then you will find Mrs. Simonson's PE and music class, which all of you guys will be included in. So you should hopefully have 2 classes, a first grade class and your science and PE class. So again, here is our main homepage. I do have a link that is included for Zoom. So when you're ready to Zoom, you're going to be able to click straight on that link and it should send you straight to a waiting room where you will wait for me and the rest of our classmates to show up from that 12:30 to 1 o'clock slot. That is most everything that I have to show you on our homepage for right now. If you've got questions on how to do anything else, please reach out to me. I'll be posting these videos along with a few more later on, so please bear with me. Thanks.